is ROYALHEMU. Welcome back to my channel, and all the viewers and subscribers, happy Friendship Day. And in this video, you have already seen in my intro all my friends' pictures and all. So now I will show you my bike friends videos. And I used to go with rides with my friends only because I don't like to go alone with the bike ride. Watch the video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Okay. You guys enjoyed this video. Okay friends, bye. I'll catch you in the next video. Please share this video to your friends, and once again, happy Friendship Day to everyone. Bye.